This is a demo on how to do a homework check on Google Classroom. First, you go to Google Classroom and find the Classwork tab.
Then find the assignment, open it, and down here at the bottom, there's a little arrow. So you're going to click on that, and then click on the PDF. The PDF opens a page where you can use this pencil to create a writable document, and using the pencil here, if I click on that, I'll have a PDF that I can write on. First, change the pen to black and begin writing your answer. So 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 plus 4 is 11. When you are done, you need to hit the Save button. And then, when you close this page by hitting the X, you should have your document that is now worked on. And if you want to check it again, you can look at it. So notice my answers are still there. And then I close with this button. And then all I have left to do is turn it in. And yes, that's what I want. So in summary, the reminders are: open your assignment, use the up arrow at the bottom of the page to get to the PDF, open the PDF, write with the pencil icon, save, close using the X, close that part, and then turn it in. This system works for use on an iPad. There's also other ways to use it on other types of tablets, but this is the setup for your iPad.